Welcome back to our channel, folks. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss: virtual assistant versus traditional employee, which is right for your business. In this video, we'll explore the pros and cons of both options so you can make an informed decision for your business. So, let's dive right in. Before we begin comparing virtual assistants and traditional employees, let's clarify what each term means. A virtual assistant is a remote worker who provides various administrative or specialized services to businesses, often working from their own home or office. On the other hand, a traditional employee is someone physically present at your workplace, hired directly by your company. Now that we understand the basic definitions, let's discuss the benefits of virtual assistants. First and foremost, virtual assistants offer flexibility. They can work from anywhere in the world, allowing you to tap into a global talent pool. This flexibility also means that they can work outside of traditional office hours, accommodating different time zones. Another advantage of virtual assistants is cost effectiveness. Hiring virtual assistants can be more affordable compared to traditional employees. You don't need to provide office space, equipment, or benefits like healthcare or paid leave. Virtual assistants are typically paid for the hours they work or through a fixed project fee, providing you with greater control over your budget. Additionally, virtual assistants can bring specialized skills to the table. Since they operate in a remote setting, they often possess expertise in various fields such as social media management, graphic design, content writing, or customer support. This means you can find the right virtual assistant with the specific skills you need, without the limitations of geographical boundaries. Now, let's consider the advantages of traditional employees. One major benefit is their physical presence in the office. Having someone physically present allows for better collaboration, face-to-face communication, and immediate assistance when needed. It can be particularly advantageous for businesses that require constant teamwork or hands-on tasks. Another advantage of traditional employees is their loyalty and commitment. When you hire someone as a permanent employee, they typically have a stronger sense of belonging and dedication to the company's mission and values. This long-term commitment can lead to higher productivity and a deeper understanding of your business operations. However, traditional employees do come with some challenges. Firstly, there are overhead costs associated with hiring employees. You need to provide office space, equipment, training, and benefits. These expenses can significantly impact your budget, especially for small businesses or startups. Additionally, traditional employees often require more time and effort in the hiring and onboarding process. You need to post job listings, conduct interviews, check references, and provide extensive training. It can be a time-consuming process to find the right fit for your team. So, which option is right for your business? Well, it depends on various factors. If your business requires specialized skills, flexibility, and cost efficiency, a virtual assistant might be the best choice. On the other hand, if you prioritize physical presence, teamwork, and long-term commitment, traditional employees could be the way to go. Ultimately, the decision will depend on your business's unique needs, budget, and goals. Some businesses find a hybrid approach, combining virtual assistants with traditional employees, to be the most effective solution. It's all about finding the right balance that works for you. That's a wrap for today's video, folks. We hope you found this comparison between virtual assistants and traditional employees helpful. Remember to consider your business's specific requirements and objectives when making this decision. Don't miss out on this opportunity. Visit our website or contact us today to learn more about the Executive Suite virtual assistants. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more valuable content like this. Until next time, bye.